Okay guys, I know why you're watching this video, because you are interested to this Pam8403 amplifier, right? And the most important thing is, for me, this is it. This is the best Pam8403 I got before. So listen and enjoy your watching. Actually, this amplifier had a 3 free connector for battery and speakers to ensure that this amplifier can connect easily to the components during assembly. Very nice. And yeah, very satisfied because the potentiometer knob and knots is included to this package. Very nice again. Okay, so look at the design of this amplifier. Nice alignment and looks like small version of the 3 watts Bluetooth amplifier I reviewed last time with GE8403 audio IC, and look at the capacitor. This is a 10 volt 1000 microfarad, absolutely good for small amplifiers. I think the most common capacitor that actually used to the Pam8403 amplifiers is 10 volt 470 microfarad. Okay, never mind. Based to the description of this amplifier, this is a stereo 5 watts per channel. The sound is louder and clearly than other Pam8403. And look at the multifunction button for previous and next, and able to use as volume adjustment. Even this have a potentiometer. Okay, so we will see later if it is really good during sound check. So let's try this amplifier using this 3 watts 3-inch woofer and power up this amplifier using power bank output, because this amplifier have a required 5 volt power supply. This power bank having 2.15 volts output. Looks nice as power supply. Power on. Okay, connected. The only thing that makes me thumbs down is the notification voices of this amplifier, because this is Chinese language. Okay, it's obvious what he said, but it's okay because it won't be heard when the volume control is turned down. And this is he said while disconnected. Okay, let's put the knob and let's see the sound quality. The power bank is not turned off at standby mode. Good. Let's max the volume. The volume control is now totally maxed. Okay, nice power. I think this is not 3 watts, maybe it's absolutely 5 watts. But yeah, this amplifier slightly have a punch bass. Nice amplifier. Even the Bluetooth module is not okay for me. Okay, my final judgment to this amplifier, 1 out of 10. This is only 8 for me because I heard random distortion at max volume, but it's not too much. Highly recommend for basic DIY Bluetooth speakers. So if you want this kind of amplifier, I will put the buy link at the description below from AliExpress. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, for you are always updated. Thank you for watching.